Is your Volkswagen clutch failing? Expert Diagnostics for consistent driving performance. A failing Volkswagen clutch can reduce power delivery and affect overall driving comfort during daily and long-distance use. Ignoring early clutch warning signs may lead to transmission strain and costly mechanical repairs over time. Professional clutch diagnostics help identify issues early and maintain smooth, reliable Volkswagen performance. Early clutch warning signs. Slipping during acceleration often indicates worn clutch components that reduce effective power transfer. Difficulty shifting gears may point to clutch pressure plate or release mechanism issues. Burning smells during driving suggest clutch overheating caused by excessive friction. Unusual pedal feel can signal hydraulic or mechanical clutch system problems. Importance of expert diagnostics. Advanced diagnostic tools help accurately identify clutch wear and related transmission concerns. Professional inspections prevent unnecessary part replacements and reduce long-term repair expenses. Accurate diagnosis ensures the correct repair approach for Volkswagen-specific clutch systems. Early detection helps preserve drivetrain integrity and driving consistency. Comprehensive inspection process. Technicians inspect clutch discs, pressure plates, and flywheel surfaces for visible wear. Hydraulic components are checked for leaks, pressure loss, or internal failure. Pedal operation and engagement points are evaluated for proper response. Road testing confirms clutch behavior under real driving conditions. Expert clutch diagnostics restore smooth gear engagement and reliable Volkswagen driving performance. Timely inspection prevents breakdowns and protects your transmission system. Professional service ensures long-term durability and confident driving in all conditions.